Oh yes, I finally learned Arabic letters! I'm sure that's what most people think when they learn Arabic letters. They think that they can now read and write and everything is good. But what they may not know is that you need to still connect those letters. You need to learn how to put them together. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you exactly how to do this in the simplest way possible. Let me show you something nice. That was a good view, wasn't it? So first I have a few tips and tricks to help you connect the letters together. When you learn the letters separately, this is what they look like at the end of each word. So now you know what all the letters look like at the end of the word. Tip number 2, all the letters that look like smiley faces or like cups become peaks in between and at the beginning. And tip number 3, always keep in mind that we have exceptions. So let's get to it. We're going to put all the letters in 2 different groups. Group number 1 are the letters that don't connect to the letters after them. Group number 2 are letters that connect to the letters after them, because they always connect before, right? Please keep in mind Arabic is from right to left, and the letters are always connected from the right side. But what about the left side? Well, this is what we are going to discuss right now. Okay, so let's check out some examples. Okay, the letters on the right are Alif, Del, Zel, Re, Zin, Waw. And the letters on the left are B, T, Th, Gim, Ha, Kha, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha. Ain, Ghain, F, Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, He, Ye. Okay, as you can see in front of you, on the right, they don't connect after, and on the left, they connect before and after. So let's take some examples using the letters on the right side. First word we have is Zed. Zed. Zin, Alif, Del. Zed. And this means increased. When something increased in the past. How would we write this? Zin, Alif, Del. And it looks exactly like this. They don't connect. Those letters don't connect. Why didn't it connect? Because we started with a letter that doesn't connect to what's after it. And there's nothing before it. So it's Zain on its own. And then Alif is the same thing. And then Del is the same thing. Okay, so let's try to add a letter from the left box. Zayid. Zayid. And this means it's extra. And this is what it looks like. Because Ye is one of the letters that we connect, it would look like this. Please keep in mind that we have some letters which are special. And by special, I mean they look different. Okay, so now let's try a word from the box on the left. The word is Gamil. Gamil. We have Gim, Mim, Ye, Lam. And Gamil means beautiful. And this is exactly what it looks like. And as you can see, Lam looks exactly like what it looks like separated. And this is tip number 1 that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Let's try another word which combines letters from both sides. Qawi. Qawi. And this means strong. We will use Qaf, Waw, Ye. Since Waw doesn't connect to anything after it, it would look like this. So always keep in mind when we write one of those letters that look like Sad, Dad, and Da, like this shape in general, always remember to add a peak right after it, or a tip. Okay, so now let's look at some of the special letters and special features. And those letters are Ye, Kaf, He. Why are those letters special? Well, they're special because they look different at the end of words from when they're separated. For example, this is what Kaf looks like at the beginning and at the end. And this is what Ye looks like at the beginning and at the end. And this is what He looks like at the beginning and at the end. There's also something which is kind of special in the way we write it, which is La, which means no. And it's Lam Alif, and we always put them on top of each other, as you can see. And that was pretty much it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If it was too simple, not too many details, let me know. If you want to know something else, you need more details about something specific. And one suggestion that I have is that you can download the Arabic keyboard on your phone or on anything that has a keyboard, and you can keep trying and having those trials to see what the letters look like when they connect to each other, because the keyboard does that automatically. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to share my video, and I'll see you soon.